How long you been like this?
At least 6 months or longer. I've done some other chiropractic treatments, used to wave therapy, facet injections, steroid injections, electrostim, physical therapy, ablation, deep tissue massages. Nothing's given me any kind of relief.
When they burnt your nerve, did you feel any relief?
No.
Make your belly into jelly.
Oh. Oh. Oh, wow. Yeah, I felt that all the way down.
Still kicking too.
Oh, man. A little sore, but definitely a lot looser, a lot smoother. So when I got here, it was probably at an 8 or a 7. It's probably like I can barely feel it right now.